Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can post like a voice recording on Twitter. So press this plus button, and as you can see, there is like this sort of lines. It's like purple next to the camera icon, and you're just going to select that. And as you can see, to record your voice, just press this microphone button to record. Like, hello, this is just an example. Press pause, and you can press the mic button again to record like this. And when you're done, you can just press pause and press the done button. You can also like add another one, but it will be on another tweet if I press the record button again, like hello, press done, and it'll be in another tweet. And and as you can see, there is like 1 out of 2, and the other recording is 2 out of 2. That means you'll have like people will know like you recorded too. For instance, like you're telling a story and you want to like make a thread by just like recording your voice instead of writing it down. You can do that. And once you're done, you're just going to select tweet all. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!